Chelsey and Trevor Cain are the hardworking duo behind Citizen Woodshop. They create beautiful statement art in their Ohio studio using only locally sourced and reclaimed woods. Hand-drawn images are laser etched into pieces of oak, maple, walnut, and elm, or reclaimed woods, like from an old barn. They purposefully keep their operation small to maintain better control over quality, and so they can keep an eye on the details. The Cains pair their backgrounds in graphic design and woodworking to create their map-inspired wooden pieces.
And one of the things that really sparked our ideas and just creativity was how we could get designs that we both loved, whether it was something that Chelsey was coming up with or I'd see an Art Deco design or something, and how can we get that onto a piece of wood. And that's one of the things that we really love now, is that with all of our wood wall art pieces, it really is the combination of wood grain with our designs and being one piece of art, and that's something that we really take pride in.
At our core, we're both artists, and we just love art and appreciate art, so we're honored and excited to get to make art for a living.
From sourcing the wood to applying the finishing touches, the Cains have a hand in every part of the process, which is exactly how they like it.